Hey guys, Ron here. Just a quick update. This i7 is doing really well. So I don't know if you remember, a while ago I reviewed a Corsair, the silent case, the 330. So I remember I had that in the box sitting in on one of my tables. So I took that that R3, the Ryzen that we took out of this case, and I started building it into this guy. So all these are used. That's my original board and parts. That was a used power supply, 700 watt, I got from a guy. And this is the GTX 770 4GB card. So I'm going to pop that in there and make another system. I'm probably going to advertise this and sell it. So you guys should, I'm curious, guys in the comments, tell me what you think this thing should sell for. A Ryzen 3 1200, B315 Asus motherboard, GTX 770 4GB card, silent case, 4 fans, be 16 gigs of DDR4. What do you think that should go for? What's a good deal for people? What's a good deal for someone and decent for me too? Opinion. Alright, just checking in. That's what we're doing right now. Good weekend stuff to get out of the way. Get it done. Alright. I put this card inside this teeny tiny multimedia little machine there. But it's got an APU, so it works just fine without it. There it is. It actually works really well. That was a good experiment, though. Alright guys, out for now. Yeah, and also I want to remind you guys that these Ryzen chips don't have graphics built in. So you have to use a graphics card of some kind. Where with the other systems, the APUs, they have graphics, so you don't have to have a card. Unless you want to go high level, but they're pretty good just like that. Alright, so this case is completely silent. It has all kinds of sound deadening material all over the place. It's a nice case. I can't remember when I bought it. It's one of those things I got from a guy on a deal. Used. Like brand new used. New old stuff. You know, one of those used. Alright guys, so just an update on that. It's gonna be a nice little machine. Actually, it's a pretty big case though. I have an extra piece of plexiglass from the front of that P3 because that's tempered glass. I got the plexi. I actually might make a plexi window for this side. I don't know. Probably not, but not a bad idea. All right, guys. So that's what's happening as we switch this stuff around. All right, out for now. Well, guys, I don't have any memory for this thing, but it's basically all together. I tested it's up and running, and post's good, post's okay. Everything seems to work. It's a nice quiet case though when you have everything put together. So I'll get some memory, get some drives in there, and we'll see what we got. But it's a nice piece. I don't know. I'll probably sell it. All right, guys. Well, what's interesting about this case is everything. Oh, this camera has a speed. Every cover, every panel is lined with some sound deadening materials. Alright, so that's what we got. Alright guys. See you later.